It is a windy fall day today, just the right day to be making my favorite fall dessert, pumpkin sheet cake. So good. But before that, we're gonna go grab a couple pumpkins out of the garden. Oh, here's a couple of my super cute little mini pumpkins. I just wanted to grab a couple to use in my kitchen and actually for a couple blog posts. So we're gonna set those aside. I have a couple orange ones here as well. Those turned out kind of cool. Goodness, there we go. How cute. These are my little minis. Got one right here. A lot. Actually, let's see, there's one right here. It's a nice big one. I'm gonna get that one out too. So we've got some bigger ones over there. We're gonna wait. We're just gonna grab these ones. It's a little bit smoky today from those California wildfires, but we're starting to see the leaves fall as well as the leaves changing. This is my favorite tree over here. Let me show you. Look at those colors starting to show up. I've gathered up some more pumpkins. I'm going to set them right here. We're going to use them for some of our fall posts this fall. So we're just going to set them right there. How fun. I love pumpkin sheet cake, and this is how we make it. First, we need to put all the wet ingredients, including the pumpkin puree, which I have right here, into this large bowl. So we're going to put the pumpkin puree into the bowl, along with the eggs and the vanilla, the salt, and the sugar. I added the vanilla to the eggs, as well as the sugar and the spices. And I'm going to give all of this a whisk with my metal whisk. I'm not even going to use a handheld mixer. It's just that easy. You're also going to add the coconut oil to the mixture. You can also use vegetable oil or canola oil, but I have had really good luck using coconut oil, and I feel like it's a healthier alternative. Whisk until everything is combined really well. And once that is done, you are going to add your dry ingredients, the flour and the baking soda. Sometimes I like to fold it in, but I decided to use my whisk today. It just makes it quicker, and you still don't have the risk of over mixing it. You want this to be a light and fluffy cake and not tough. Pour the mixture into a large greased sheet pan, just like this. It's time to throw this in the oven. And while it is cooking, we're gonna make the cream cheese frosting. It's gonna go on top. In this mixer, I'm going to add butter, cream cheese, as well as a teaspoon of vanilla and a small amount of milk or cream. You wanna mix this until there are no more lumps. And once the lumps are all gone, you're going to start adding in your powdered sugar a small amount at a time, and start out slow so that it doesn't blow everywhere. Once you have all your powdered sugar incorporated, I like to turn my mixer on high and let it mix for about a minute to get it nice and fluffy. once you have it iced, it's ready to eat, and I promise you, you won't be able to resist it. I love this cake. It's perfect for fall, and I think it's super easy, and it's a great item to take to a large gathering or get together with family. I just love it. These are seriously so good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to give me a follow and check out my videos below. Have a nice day.